Thank you so much for tuning in on this episode. Today I'm here in our studio with Andre. Today's hairstyle will be a crew cut.
A mid-fade, high fade, I think, and some short bangs.
And I'm looking forward to see how it turns out. Just come in here. Jake, good to see you. And you're ready for your crew cut?
Yeah.
Sounds great. The hairstyle is in process and let's take a look at it. Andre did 9 steps fade here on Jake from 0mm to 9 and fading here at the mid, so we call it mid fade. Good job so far. Continue the good work. the haircut is done, and I think the details around the beard and everything plays super well together. And we went from 0 millimeters to around 9 millimeters mid-fade crew cut and blended well together at the top. Finished off with the Wax Zero. Leave a comment down below and see you in next episode of Slikhaar TV.